Welcome on my demonstration film about the transmitter receiver in two-way communication, Bluetooth. In the specification requires the stable and continuous connection to send data without interrupts. This is made in the master-slave architecture. I use the microcontroller ESP32. His has the device, the RFID NFC to read the name MAC address of the unit slave. Unit slave is demonstrated here. Unit slave also is prepared on the ESP32 with the GPS modules. DIDES blue is visual status of the connection, and white DIDES is about the level of power, how it's putting to the systems. Also, it's the one piney signal PWM for the management of the brushless motor by the ESP regulator. So all transmitter and transmitter receiver it's made in the C++ STT17 with the object-oriented programming, with the solid rails, all done with the methods test-driven development with the Google Test Mock. These prototypes I prepared by myself. About the menu. To realize the menu, I using the state pattern. Here we see welcome screen. I can be using the animated GIF, but for this moment, this device has too low memories to use this. So in the short future, we'll be changing the devices with more memories and will be possible using the animation. Connection and identification by the RFID with the tags. For this moment, for the development, it's this tag, Braille. Also, it's possible using the dynamic RFID tag. So, also it's possible implement other devices would can realize this functionality. So, when we go to the my menu, we will see what happened. This is my menu that I said is prepared by the state pattern, so giving the really nice flow to the changing the current display current screen. Changing of menu is by the three buttons: up, down, select, and we can see how this works. So down, up. Here we have status of the connection. For this moment, it's without the connection with the unit slave. tools, others icons with the battery height, it will be showing how many battery has energy, and will be count how many energy will be, and if will be using to the off out, and inform how many leave of this energy with this power energy power. So when we go to the menu, we have setting menu. In the setting menu, we can make the connect models. Models said us about the how we'll be changing the putting the power. It's possible will be put in two way. Manual is mean changing the putting power is by the buttons up down, and smooth it's putting power by the potentiometer like this. Level giving us what kind of level and limited of the putting power. So after this means how many power you put, that will be speed of the unit slave, and that many power get unit slave and use for the making of move. So beginner, menu, and advanced. And now it's we going to connect, and in the menu connect we have name of the slave unit and address IP. This is for this moment this is default because it's after restart. So when we try the connect by RFID tag on the preload, we see its icon is changed for the blue, so it means it's connected. So when we go to the unit slave, we see blue address is turned on, so giving us information it's connected. And when we have connection, we can go to the setting, to the power speed, and we see what happened. What we see here, it's a level of using. So for this moment we have advanced, so we can regulate the power of full. So we change the power by the potentiometer, and we see how react for changing. Minima and max. And second arc is about the speed of the unit slave. Speed is getting by the GPS, and it's getting for the raw data, so we see it's changing all time. When we try the move, something happen. When we try the move of the unit slave, we see it's changed of also arc and value of speeds. For this demonstration, scale of speed is prepared to see what kind of changes is for the 7 kilometers for the hour. So this is of course to the changing. time and data is also getting raw data from the GPS. For this moment, it's not implemented because that I said before, this device ESP32 has too low memory. It's for this moment is not possible to make this, but in the short future will be changed this. So we can see how this happens. Of course, for this moment, putting power it's not depends for the speed is not depends for the putting of the powers because it's raw data of this unit slave. So when we put low power and move the unit life is changed. So how we see. So thank you for the watching and have a nice day.